Right everyone, wow, I completely forgot about this meet today. It's actually one that Facebook reminded me of, so I thought, you know what? I'm gonna leave Caffeine and Machine for day 2 and I'm just gonna head over to this one because I have not been around BMWs in a while and I'm hoping to see some E30s there, which would be a nice reminder for me. I got so much still planned to do with the E30. I'm currently looking for a new engine right now. So, right, there's my, you know, this was actually a gift to me. So I really like this t-shirt though, so I thought it would be good for today. Right, so let's head out to that meet and I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Let's go! Alright, so I've actually come to Costco to fill up fuel here because apparently the super unleaded here is 99 RON and looks like I'm not the only car enthusiast that comes here because just a little while ago I saw an Aston Martin like just around the corner over there. So I'm like, yo, people actually bring some pretty decent cars here, so it's kind of cool. Yeah, let's fill up. It is still going up. Right, let's head out of here onto the meet. Hope it's good. I caught that guy taking a picture of the car. Feel like a celebrity, baby. Oh my god, look how good it looks when it's over the full mark. That's goals right there. If only the weather was like this yesterday, this would have been amazing. Yesterday's turnout would have just been crazy, but actually probably a good thing. If the weather was like this yesterday, then by the time I arrived, well, there wouldn't have been any parking space, so it's probably a good thing for me. At the same time, yeah, I would have preferred that in a way. I don't know. It's happened now. Right, I have arrived and oh, okay, I can see all the cars there now. Dang, there's some nice cars here already. Let me park my Oh look, there's a Skyline here as well. Right, I'll park next to that. Already had quite a lot of people look over this way towards me, so I don't know if I should be scared. What do I do? Of course I go out and see the cars, innit? Yo, that sounds quite decent though. Damn. Right, I'm gonna have a quick look at this one. While that car's leaving, this looks sick. That V8. I feel like this car looks familiar to me. Nice M2 over there as well. Right, let's go have a look at the E30s.
Oh, okay. But I'm gonna get a hard top roof. Mind you, when I spoke to Paul about 3 weeks ago, he had a mid one. But I was being a Jew. You know what I mean? I go, look, I don't want one of the vinyl one. I got vinyl.
That is so clean.
Yeah.
So then you got, this looks sick, yo. That's a nice touch there, like doing, is it a actual full?
It is a Civ.
That looks.
Faded. Obviously
Faded the painting, yeah. That's a good little, nice little touch. How much is this running?
It's about 430 at the moment.
That's pretty quick. Like, I can imagine though with the turbo, is it a single turbo or twin?
Twin.
Still twin.
Engine.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's a twin turbo. But yeah, it's got standard turbos at the moment, but intercooler, full decap, acro exhaust, charge by.
I just clocked that you've got Alcon brakes on there, so so you've not just done like the performance side of things. You've done a little bit of everything on the car.
Yeah, to be honest, Olin suspension, H&R, anti-roll bars, M3 front arms, the Alcon brakes.
Has it been widened in the rear?
It has, yeah.
I was gonna say, so you know what? You have done this car nicely.
These are actually proper metal arches, but extended. The way they've actually left that showing through. And they're genuine M3 front end.
You know what? You have done this car so tastefully. I'm not
roof as well.
Oh, I didn't even clock the roof just yet, but
Yeah, so I've actually done the roof as well.
damn, can I have a look inside?
Yeah,
Don't
carry
mind.
on.
Yeah,
It's
that
got
is
performance
clean.
seats. That's not standard seats, is it? No, it's got the BMW performance ones. Is it? Yeah, have a look.
Seats in there.
BMW performance.
That is
That's what he just said.
Jump in, have a look.
that is sick.
That's the whole point of this car.
There's no electrics in them. They're all manual.
No, manual, but I've got the heating working on them. I'm just going to get the cold to the airbags.
Beautiful. It really is.
I just realised the
They're a lot better.
I wanna try and get to see this car properly at another point.
I've never been a big fan of Compton.
Leave a comment down below or give this video a like if you want me to try and arrange a separate drive with this car at some point because it looks sick. Yeah, the arch is definitely wider. But I like that. Sick.
It does feel a little bit more.
Fires over there. M6.
Otherwise, you used to skip the back end out. Always did it.
Pretty sure I've seen this M5 before on Meet. My brother's mates and that. Those two look sick there though. Just got the 8 Series actually. Sick. It's actually I felt quite at home. If only I brought my E30 once it's finished, but aim for that next year. ADVs on there as well. Sounding good. Fair point, fair point. Like, I'm sure this is the one with the 2JZ. Sure. Looks too similar. I could be completely wrong though. Everyone just got excited. Well, this brother right here, by the way, he is currently rebuilding his engine. Massive turbo to go into it, aiming for about 600 brake. So that's going to be a bit of a weapon. Seriously, man, look at this. This car has had some stupid amount of money put into it. E39 over there looks good. The owner's not come out. That's pretty good. Literally, everyone's going crazy over this car.
That's
Carburetor on it.
I've never ever seen one of those. I've seen pictures of them, but never in person.
Dang, that's some serious dish. I really want to. This is probably going to be the loudest car here, though. It's got proper exhaust on it. This would be crazy. Alright, it's starting to rain. Probably a good time for me to start making my way back home now. Nice little meet, very nice and chilled out. It's kind of cool. Sounds good, man. Okay, now that definitely isn't the one with the 2 JZ. Because it was way louder than that. I'm sure it was. Sick. That looks sick. I'm gonna start making my way. This car looks sick, y'all. Everyone's commenting on the spoiler on this car, but can't stop looking at those two behind. Damn. Might as well not spend too much longer here. Kind of curious to know what this number plate stands for. Girls come back in her E46. But right, okay. I'm gonna start making my way off now. Civic is also quite cool. JDM for life, y'all. You can just hear the Honda next to me right now. But right, might as well start making my way back. It's kind of cool meet actually, nice and chilled out. But yeah, I got a few things to get done, so I'm gonna head back home now. And I wanna actually try and look into something on the E30. So yeah, well, you know what? I'll show you guys an update on the E30. Let's get back home. Car looks slick. The colors are nice as well. Bye, E30s. Alright, let's try and make our way back. You ain't got no number plate, bruh. But that car sounds good. And so you join me here right now in the E30. I just had a quick change of my hoodie into this one because it's a bit more awkward to constantly go into the other one and wear it. But I thought I'd come into this car and just, yeah, I still got it. You know, it's still my baby. Look at this, man. I miss being sat right here, driving this thing. It's just this. Honestly, unless you've driven an E30, I think it's hard to explain why it feels so special. But I thought I'd show you guys a new little thing that I bought for the car. It's a Nardi gear knob. It's a used one. I kind of actually wanted to go for a used one because it just gets that little bit more of a rugged feel to it. Bit by bit, when you guys see what I'm going to do to the interior and exterior of this car, and with the engine and everything like that, it'll make more sense. But for now, I think this is basically going to be where I end the vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please please give me a like, leave a comment, subscribing really helps because I really want to hit 1,000 subscribers. At least then I can say I hit that milestone. And yeah, find me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat, follow me everywhere. And if you get in touch with me, I'm always going to reply back to you guys. So right guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.